What is going on today, guys? We are back again with another video. In today's video we are going to be discussing a website that got brought to our attention to wrap your drone. If you don't know what a wrap is, it's basically like a skin that covers most of your drone or device or whatever you are wrapping. So this specific video is going to be on the drones and this website. So unfortunately, I don't think, obviously, not every drone ever is offered on here, but the big ones, the real named ones, the ones that we've kind of come across, they are on here. So guys, we are going to be just showing you briefly this website. Again, the website will be linked in the description below, so make sure to click on that. And yeah, so let's get right on into it here. So basically it is called Decal Girl. You can go in and you click on the website, you go into it, and basically you'll have your drones. So basically we have these seem to be the only three that they actually have categories for, but if you look, they have other ones offered here, other drones offered. They just might not offer enough different skins yet for it in order to kind of have their own. But there's some the DJI minis, mini SE, you know, the Phantoms, there's a lot of those. But then we have our Mavics up here. So let's just say the one that most people actually have is the Mavic Mini, and as you can see, lots of cool pre-updated skins. Or if I actually go up here, you can create your own. Now it's $29.99 plus, I believe this is from the States, so it's basically $29.99, I think, in US dollars. I could be wrong on whether it's US dollars or what dollars it is, so don't quote me on that one, guys. But and then about $5 delivery normally, at least that's what we've seen. And yeah, very easy, very awesome. Again, honestly, their pre-uploaded skins are honestly sweet as well, which personally I think is pretty awesome. They have all sorts of different ones on here, like I have said. So guys, that's gonna conclude it for today's video. Make sure, if you did like this, you're smashing that like button, hitting the subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video.